to the fire. What is going on, y'all? This is Powerfully Paige, a channel dedicated to teaching you how to look good, eat good, and live good. We're gonna be making a spinach and artichoke pesto lasagna. This is great for meal prep. This is also great for integrating more vegetables into your diet. Is it healthy? No, but you're eating more vegetables. Meatless Monday for people who are struggling. So we're gonna hop right into it. So I have some pre-cooked noodles, homemade bechamel sauce. This is ricotta. It's a caper ricotta. So I put capers, eggs, parsley, red pepper, all that. My favorite store brand pesto. A large dish because we want to get at least 3 layers. And this is whipped cream cheese and mayo. Sounds kind of nasty, but to make this spinach and artichoke dip, that's the big. I prefer fresh over frozen. These are hot chili peppers because I love spicy food, and artichokes. Artichokes have a really earthy and metallic taste to them. Just honestly delicious. So let's just pour all of this in. Also, this lovely guy back here, his name is Pablo. He is my turtle. Everyone say hi to Pablo. Pablo, say hey. All right.
So, layer 1 is going to be your Alfredo or your bechamel sauce. And then you're gonna overlap your cooked noodles like you overlap your men. And then fill it up with your spinach and artichoke dip. It is a really creamy dish. If you love spinach and artichoke, this is for you. Drizzle pesto and repeat. It is so simple and so hearty. Your family and you will love it. Oh yeah, have wine too, a little drink break. And continue to repeat this process all throughout. And remember, have fun with it, enjoy it. This is a good way to get kids involved. So I'm challenging you to have this vegetarian meal with your family during quarantine.
Put this bad boy in the oven, 375, 50 minutes to an hour. Also, probably should put a pan underneath this because it's more than likely gonna spill over, but it's okay. And ooh, this is heavy. Too heavy, too heavy, too, okay.
And just like that, this is the finished product. Feel free to enjoy this recipe and stay safe during these times.